Hello everyone, welcome back to Affiliate Stand. This is Danish, and today we are going to talk about my 30 days journey with my lead gen secret. I have so far accumulated 6,300 leads over the period of 30 days, of course, and my total income in the 30 days period is, hold on a second, $95. I know it's not much, but if you think about it, I didn't have $95 about a month ago. No, sir, I didn't have these $95, but now I do. And if I am being honest, I actually made only $5 profit because when I signed up, I was charged $60 setup fee, and yesterday I was billed $30 for the monthly fee. But that's all good. Why? Because I'm going to keep making money with this system. Yes. And you see all these commissions, the ones that do not say OTO next to them are recurring commissions, provided if these referrals of mine stay connected with the system. So I'm going to be in profit, if not next month, maybe the month after that, or the month after that. I will reach a point where I will be very, very capable of leaving my day job. I know it's a lot to say for a guy who made only $95, but the thing is, I've been doing some things wrong. I recently joined a Facebook group. Let me show you the group. This is the official Facebook group of My Lead Gen Secret. It consists of only 5,000 members, but these are all very helpful group of people, and I'm learning some new things that I'm going to apply on from now on whenever I email and promote my lead gen secret. The problem is I was not focusing on composing my own emails, which I will do from now on, and using those emails. The internal emails are great. I'm not trying to bash them down or anything, but thing is they have been so overly used by all the members who are not willing to tweak their emails, that people are not responding to them as they used to back in 2019. Now, if you remember in my previous video, I showed you a video of a gentleman who was telling everyone that how he made $4,000, and he also shared the proof that he made $4,000 in his first month, which is absolutely correct. He did. But the problem is that video is from 2019, and that doesn't work like that anymore. It doesn't work like that anymore because if you're thinking that you're gonna join My Lead Gen Secret and you'll be making $2,000 or $4,000 in your first month, I'm sorry but you will be really disappointed. But that's not gonna happen. Yes, you will reach a point. At some point, you will reach that level of success if you keep on using the system for 3, 4, 5 months. Yes, you will be able to uh, uh, make that kind of amount from My Lead Gen Secret, and people are doing that. People I've just shown you that Facebook group, the members of that group, these members are doing that. They're making $2,000, $1,000, $3,000 per month using My Lead Gen Secret, and not just by promoting My Lead Gen Secret. They're also using the mailing system, to promote offers from JVZoo, ClickBank, or even what's that other one? Can't remember. Warrior Plus. Yes, sorry. So people are making most of this system because this is no The mailing system that we have out there, the autoresponders, they are actually sucking your blood. I just saw the package, the auto. What's the name of that autoresponder? GetResponse. They had this Cyber Monday deal or something like that. Some deal, Black Friday deal. I can't remember which deal was it. And they're giving away their month the autoresponder for a monthly fee of $10, which sounds sweet, but the problem is the limit of uploading your contacts, the number of emails that you're going to upload, the number of contacts that you're going to upload for $10 and only 1,000 emails. That's insane. As soon as you crank that up to 5,000 emails, the amount changes to 60 something dollars, and that's the lowest package. So this is a blessing. That's what I'm trying to say. You can use this system. Granted, this system allows you to send out emails only once a day, but let's be real. How many times a day you're gonna send emails to your contacts? I mean, if you want them to block your email, go ahead, do that. But once a day is enough, guys. Yeah, it is more than enough. Some people only send out emails 3 or 4 days a week, not even every day. So you need to be careful with these things. And if you use this is as good as it can get. I mean, having an email system that does not limit you with your contact list and gives you leads every day just for joining the system, that's insane. I'm having a blast using the system, and I know I haven't made much, but every time I see commissions popping up in my wallet, I am grateful and I thank my lucky stars that I joined this system. So if you're thinking that, oh, okay, this system is not for me, I agree with you, because this system is not going to make you $2,000 in your first month. That's for sure. Those days are over. That only happened when the system was brand new. Now you have to wait. You have to keep on grinding. And when I say grinding, I'm saying take out 5 minutes of your time in a day and send out an email. You need to keep on doing that every day for at least 3-4 months, maybe 2 months, maybe, I don't know. It depends on how many signups you get. And you are going to get there. You see, all of these commissions without the OTO, excluding these commissions, the rest of the commissions, they're recurring. They're gonna come up they're gonna show up in your wallet again next month, or whenever the month is completed of the particular sign up. So and meanwhile you'll be making more sales. So just give this system a try. This is something that I'm going to be honest with you. In my for past 2 years, I've been trying to promote Amazon associate products and ClickBank products and whatnot. None of those systems that I ever joined, none of those programs gave me this promising result. No, sir. I made a few dollars here and there, but this is, I mean, all I was doing is sending out emails. That's it. That's all I was doing. And from this month onwards, I will be doing more than that. I'm gonna instead of spending 5-10 minutes, I will be spending 30 minutes or maybe an hour by promoting this system outside of the platform. I'll be using social media, and I'm gonna create some posts, and I'm not gonna spam, but I'm gonna join some forums. I'm gonna try out some other stuff. I'm gonna try to compose my own email swipes. I'm gonna try different things to maximize profits. So that's the plan for this month, and I'm very confident that I will be successful, and so can you. If you put your heart into this. This is great system, guys. They pay you out in bitcoins if you want to. If you don't want the commissions to be transferred into your PayPal account, they pay you out in bitcoins. And for people where PayPal doesn't work, I communicated with the support system, which is absolutely amazing. They reply to you within 12 to 24 hours, and without failure. They always reply to you no matter how stupid your question is. I communicated with the support system, and the support team rather, and they guaranteed me that if you are from a country where PayPal doesn't work and you don't want Bitcoins, we can directly deposit amount to your bank account. I have that in return. So people from places like Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, Nigeria, Ghana, you don't have to worry about that stuff. They will help you out. And if you're worried about receiving payments directly into your domestic bank account, you can always sign up with Payoneer.com, and they can give you American bank account details. There's always a turnaround. There's always a loophole, I shouldn't say loophole, but there's always a way out. If you catch my drift, right? So I'm gonna keep on making videos about my lead gen secret because I'm really satisfied with the results. I know, again, they're not super amazing, but at least I have something to show, which I never had in my previous experiences with other systems. So I'll see you suckers next week. If you want to sign up, there's a link down in the description. Please do that, because if you do that, you'll be helping me out as well. I'll take care of yourself and others around you. Good luck with your pursuit to success. Bye-bye.